What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Monday Morning Makeup with Noelani. If you're new here, welcome. We do everything beauty, brought to you by the queen herself. And if you're joining us again, it's so good to see you. Thank you for joining us. So today I'm showing you guys how to get a luminous, glowy, everyday, no makeup look. And yes, I feel like everyone needs this look in their arsenal, because sometimes you don't want to go full glam, but you can't just walk out bare face, so you got to meet somewhere in the middle. So today I'm showing you guys the middle. All right, all products used will be in the comment box below. Otherwise, let's go get into this. To start, so we're definitely gonna need to get that nice glowy effect. We need to go in with a good primer, so I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Grip. And she's gonna have our face moisturize. You could literally wear this by itself, it looks so good. Okay, moving on. Next, I'm gonna mix up my foundations. Okay, so then we're just gonna take our foundation and apply it right onto the face. And I use the back of a brush because that's my business. And I'm just gonna go in, as crazy as it sounds, my hand are a little bit cold. Foundation where? Foundation who? But we're not done. Next, I'm gonna go in with another foundation. But this one is a serum foundation, and it's more of like serum than just foundation. So I just like this because it gives you that glow. So if you don't have a serum foundation, you could also mix your foundation with a little bit of facial oil, and that will give you the same effect. Now, this has a little dropper. It's so cute. It's not gonna look like my color right now, but it is, so don't come for me. And then you can just blend it with a beauty blender. Obsessed with this foundation. It gives me such glow. Literally, this is just foundation. It's not cakey. I know I have two foundations on, but she's not cakey. She's serving skin glow, period, per. And I know some of you be like, well, Noelani, it's a little too glowy. Don't you fret, trust the process. Then we're just gonna do a face like normal. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. To blend it out, I'm gonna go ahead in with a beauty blender, and prior to, I'm just gonna spray that with some setting spray. Okay, so once we've continued on with our concealer, we're gonna go ahead and just set any concealer with some pressed powder. But you don't want to go heavy on the powder. You go in with too much powder, and then that'll take away the glowiness that we worked so hard to get. So I'm literally just pressing this right into my skin, nothing crazy. Next, as crazy as it sounds, we're gonna use a little bit of liquid lipstick on the cheeks for blush, and this is just gonna make sure you have that nice glowy but still berry cheek. And to blend that out again, we're gonna go in with a beauty blender and some setting spray. Now, do you feel where I'm coming from? Now I'm gonna use a bronzer, and this is powder, nothing crazy. Okay, now it's time to move on to some brows, and mine are hella unruly, so before I go in with pomade to tame them, we're just gonna go over with some mascara. So So after we've drawn on some sort of brows, I'm just going to use a little bit of Plouise base just to clean them up and give them a little bit more shape. I'm just going to take that pressed powder and set the eyes, just because you don't want any creasing going on up there. Now, of course, you can always do lashes with the look, but just to keep this more beginner friendly and more very on the no makeup-y side, we're just going to do some mascara and build these lashes up. To finish off any look, of course, it's time to highlight. And I'm just gonna go in with this nice big fluffy brush so that we can take her right on up. Take that highlight up a little bit, don't be shy. And for smaller areas, I just use a smaller brush to do the bridge of my nose and under brows. And lastly, we're just going to finish this off with some setting spray. This is my favorite part. It's so bougie. Lastly, we can add some gloss because, you know, we can't let these lips be bare. Look at that nice neutral gloss. She is serving, okay? Wow. All right. Now that we have everything, I'm just gonna go and throw this wig on and show y'all this finished look, okay? You can rock this luminous look at work, okay? At your cousin's baby shower, whom you're not trying to outshine with your bomb-ass makeup, trying to meet your boyfriend's mom, you know, wherever you're trying to go to look presentable but not too extra as we usually be doing. Go for this look, get you a nice little glowy look. Yeah. I'm living for it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell if you like this video, and join me for my next one. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in this Monday. I hope you enjoy your week. You know, I'll get back with you guys on Friday. It was so good seeing you. You guys are the best. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.